Weekend withdrawals depend on the Bingo platform and payment method, so a game that accepts cash-out requests on Saturday or Sunday does not necessarily guarantee that the money reaches your account that same weekend. For 2026, the useful way to compare Bingo games is to check whether you can request a withdrawal on weekends, which payment methods are available, and whether the operator publishes a processing schedule. Number 5 is Bingo Tour Die Die. Where cash prize gameplay is available, the withdrawal process depends on your account, location, and the payment method offered. Check the withdrawal page before entering a paid game, especially if weekend access is your priority. Number 4 is nBingo Cash Die. Its support documentation gives players a defined withdrawal process and explains that requests can take up to 14 days to process, while stating that players usually receive funds within 2 business days. That means submitting a withdrawal during the weekend does not automatically mean the money arrives during the weekend. Number 3 is nMoon Blackout Bingo. It offers cash prize gameplay in eligible locations, but the actual withdrawal experience depends on the payment option available to your account. Open the cashier section and check the current processing information before making a deposit. Number 2 is iCash Bingo. If weekend withdrawals are supported for your account, the payment provider can still determine when the funds become available. Check both the Bingo game's withdrawal terms and the payment service's processing rules. Number 1 is the platform that gives you the clearest weekend withdrawal information before you play. A genuine weekend cash-out option should be explained through the game's official withdrawal system or terms, rather than through an advertisement promising instant money. There are 3 things to check before choosing one. First, check whether withdrawals can actually be submitted on Saturday and Sunday. Some platforms allow requests at any time but process them during business days. Second, check the payment method. Bank transfers, digital wallets, and other payment methods can have different processing schedules. Third, check whether your account has completed any required verification. A pending identity or payment review can delay a withdrawal regardless of the day you submit it. Do not assume that weekend payout means instant weekend payment. Those are different claims. Also, check the minimum withdrawal requirement and any applicable processing fee before playing for real money. If a website asks you to pay someone privately to release a weekend bingo payout, do not use that service. Keep withdrawals inside the official platform. The key points are simple. Weekend withdrawal requests and weekend fund delivery are different. Payment methods affect timing, and published processing rules matter more than promotional claims. Your practical next step is to open the official withdrawal page and confirm its weekend processing policy before depositing money. If this guide helped, like the video, and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guides.